Big question, though, is there anything on the horizon that will help clear out some of this smoke?
You know, there's actually the possibility of a northwest wind that's going to be picking up late Thursday and Friday, just in time for the fair to kick off, which could help to clear some of this smoke out of the Treasure Valley. But Natalie, folks at home, watch this video here for just a second. This is time-lapse video from the top of Bogus Basin. Now, as I put this into motion, you're going to see the smoke coming in and just pushing around the Treasure Valley. So bright and early, look at how thick the smoke got there. And there you can see it. Boy, it almost completely envelops the mountain range, and that camera is sitting right on the top of Bogus Basin. So it's super thick, it's very, very dense, and you can smell it, you can taste it. It's horrible what we're having to deal with right now. And yet the air quality is moderate levels of pollution. It's the particulate matters in the air that I guess makes a difference when it comes to that air quality. But they're saying it is moderate levels of pollution. But still, if you suffer from respiratory ailments, you really want to take it easy. You don't want to breathe that stuff in any more than you have to. So a few mountain storms are possible in the forecast tomorrow. Smoky skies are expected, and then it's going to be a nice dry weekend once again. And these temperature readings that we're seeing that have been unseasonably warm are going to be dropping back down to more seasonal levels by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But the reason I'm calling for the possibility of some scattered mountain showers and thunderstorms tomorrow is this little feature right here between Nevada, and it is between Oregon and Northern California. This is a low in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and it's very weak, and it's just going to kind of rotate from the west toward the east. As it does, it could spark a couple of thunderstorms, especially over the southwestern and south central into the southeastern mountains of Idaho, maybe around the central mountains as well tomorrow afternoon. If that does happen, the concern is that we could see some gusty winds, and you can also see the possibility of lightning associated with some of those storms. So high temperatures right now getting up to 95 degrees. We're probably going to top out at 97 to 98 degrees this afternoon. There's the average of 90 degrees. That's where we're going by the end of the week. So overall, it's high pressure that's keeping us on the hot side, but watch what happens by Friday. That high pressure starts to build off the coast, which puts you and me in more of a northwesterly flow. This is in essence a cooler pocket of air that's going to start moving in from Canada, and that's why by the end of the week the temperatures go down, and I'm hoping there's enough of a push there out of the northwest to help clean out the atmosphere just a bit here in the Treasure Valley. But again, that doesn't happen until the end of the week. In the meantime, tomorrow, hot and sunny, smoky skies with the potential of a few isolated thunderstorms developing over our local mountains. But here in the Treasure Valley, we're going to see those temperatures again ranging from the mid to the upper 90s with overnight lows tonight in the 60s. So 95 degrees on Thursday, then we take it all the way down to 89 degrees on Friday. Not too bad for the fair. 89 on Saturday, 91 on Sunday. But boy, the pattern is going to stay, for the most part, very dry for the next 5 to 7 days. The only potential at all for any showers, especially over the local mountains, is going to be tomorrow afternoon as that weak low transitions to the south.
I think I've sincerely forgotten what rain looks and feels like.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
It has. We haven't seen a monsoon flow this year.
All right. Thank you, Roland.
Okay.
Let's